I wanted to speak in English, but I always thought that what if I made mistake? What people said if I made mistake? Hello, my dear lovely, honorable, respectable, active, intelligent, brilliant English speaking partner. Welcome back to my another new 10 minutes practice session video. In this video, I would like to practice by using was and where. Due to I am a beginner English speaking learner, that's why I used to practice short and simple sentences. So, my dear, lovely, and honorable English speaking partner friends, let's go practice together. I was funny. I was funny man. I was funny student. I was active person. I was active student. I was active worker. I was brilliant student. I was brilliant employee. I was intelligent salesman. I was brave person. I was selfish. I was helpful. You were active. You were active student. You were active employee. You were active politician. You were active farmer. You are intelligent student. You are intelligent soldier. You are intelligent police officer. You are intelligent army officer. You are brilliant student. You are brilliant speaker. You are brave speaker. You are confident person. You are helpful person. They are funny boy. They were funny speaker. They were funny actors. They were active listener. They were active speaker. They were active learners. We were active learners. We were active viewers. We were active listener. We were active workers. We were intelligent students. We were brilliant students. We were brave speakers. We were helpful person. Was I active person? Was I active student? Was I active listener? Was I active viewers? Was I active student? Was my father active worker? Were you active student? Were you active listener? Were you active viewers? Were you active employee? Were you active army soldier? Were you active salesman? Were you active teacher? Were you active doctor? Were you active homemaker? Were you active, what can I say, travelers? Okay. Were they funny man? Were they funny students? Were they funny actors? Were they funny video maker? Were they brilliant student? Were they intelligent army? Were they intelligent special force? Were they intelligent politician? Were they intelligent speaker? Were they intelligent specialized? Were they intelligent doctor? Were they intelligent journalist? Okay, my dear. Now I would like to make some question by using this where and was. Why were you active person? Why were you active student? Why were you active listener? Why were you active co-worker. Why were you active viewers? Why weren't you active listener? Why weren't you active viewers? Why weren't you active employees? When were you funny man? When were you funny student? When were you funny actors? When were you funny listener? When were you intelligent student? When were not you a brave person? When were not you helpful person? When were we intelligent person? Where were you intelligent student? Where were you intelligent army? Where were you intelligent special force? Where were you brilliant specialist? Where were you brilliant student? Where were you brilliant doctor? Where were you brilliant teacher? Where were you brilliant speaking partner? Where were you active speaking partner? Now I would like to make some sentences by was. He was an active man. He was active listener. He was active worker. My father was active worker. My mother was active worker. My sister was funny girl. My daughter was funny girl. My friend was funny boy. My younger brother was funny boy. My neighbor was funny boy. My sister was intelligent girl. My sister was intelligent student. My sister was intelligent doctor. My brother was intelligent police officer. My friend was intelligent doctor. My friend was intelligent representative. My friend was intelligent or brilliant sales representative. Well, my friend, was my father active person? Was my mother good homemaker? Was my mother active homemaker? Was my sister active listener? Was my brother active co-worker? Was my brother active serviceman? Was my boy active student? Was my daughter active learners? Was my wife a funny woman? Was my partner a funny girl? Okay, now how was my father active man? How wasn't my father active man? How was my partner funny girl? How wasn't my partner funny woman? Okay, my dear lovely English speaking partner, like this way you can make thousands of sentences to practice your English. To be honest, at the beginning time we have to make short and simple sentences, and then we have to open our mouth. We have to train our speak organ to speak fluently. Otherwise, we can't speak fluently. Always try to make short and simple sentences. Another example. Now or today I wear t-shirt. My t-shirt color is black and it is made by cotton. Now I feel comfortable to wear this t-shirt, and then I think that I am looking good by wearing this t-shirt. It is my best t-shirt. I like to wear black color t-shirt. I used to wear black color t-shirt. There is a logo on the t-shirt. I can't see the logo properly due to my I can't see it properly. Now 1 minute. Now I'm sitting on the chair and now I am keeping my hand on the handles. Now I am leaning on the chair. Yes, my dear audience, like this way, you have to speak again and again, again and again. You have to repeat this sentence. Believe me, trust my speech. Definitely, you will be a fluent speaker very soon. So, my dear lovely audience and listener and viewers, no more longer. Again, I say that keep learning, keep growing, keep reading, keep shining, and then enjoy your life. Try to celebrate your small achievement and try to spend your free time with your family members. Take care of your family, take care of your parents, take care of your children, and try to give time with your life partner. So, dear audience, no more longer. Thanks for watching. See again. Bye bye.